Hello everyone, today let's talk about how to fix external hard drive that won't open. External hard drives are widely used for expanding storage, backing up important files, and transferring data between devices. However, there are times when an external hard drive won't open or isn't recognized by your computer. Whether it's a connection issue, a corrupted file system, or a malfunctioning driver, troubleshooting the problem can often get the drive up and running again. Understanding the issue at hand is crucial before attempting to find answers. An external hard drive should detect and show up in the File Explorer Windows or Finder Mac as soon as you attach it to your computer. If this doesn't happen, there could be several reasons. 11 solutions to fix external hard drive can't open. Solution 1. Ensure proper connection. Physical damage to the external hard drive could be the reason it won't open. Inspect both the drive and the cable for any visible damage. If the drive shows signs of physical failure, for example, strange noises, overheating, or not spinning, it might be time to consider professional data recovery services. For external hard drives that need external power, ensure that the device is correctly plugged into a power source and turned on. A lack of power could be why it doesn't appear on your computer. Although this may seem like a simple step, restarting your computer can sometimes solve connectivity issues with external drives. When you restart your system, it can reinitialize hardware connections and allow the computer to recognize the external drive properly. On Windows and Mac, you can access built-in disk management tools to check if your external hard drive is being recognized, even if it's not visible in the File Explorer. Your computer may not recognize your external hard drive if you have outdated or missing drivers. Both Windows and Mac require specific drivers to interface with external devices. On Windows, running the built-in disk checking utility can help identify and fix file system errors on the external hard drive. If your external hard drive is still not opening, it may have file system issues that prevent your computer from accessing it. If your external hard drive is still not accessible, it's possible that data corruption has occurred. In such cases, using third-party data recovery software may help retrieve your files. Donemax Data Recovery is a powerful data recovery tool. It works by scanning the hard drive for lost or corrupted files and attempting to recover them. Malware and viruses can sometimes interfere with the functioning of external devices. Run a comprehensive antivirus scan to check if the drive has been infected. If detected, follow the necessary steps to remove the malware and see if it resolves the issue. Booting your computer into safe mode or recovery mode can bypass certain system settings that might be preventing the drive from being accessed. That's all for this video sharing. See you next time.